In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically create subitems in Monday.com. This feature can be a real game changer for managing your projects more efficiently. So let's dive in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Monday.com. If you're already familiar with Monday.com, you know this is where you handle all your project management tasks. Now, look to the upper right corner of your screen. Here you'll find the login button. Go ahead and click on it. Depending on how you prefer to access your accounts, you have a couple of options here. You can either sign in directly with Google if you're a fan of single sign-on convenience, or enter your email address and password manually. If you choose the Google sign-in option, you'll be prompted to select the email account associated with your Monday.com account. Simply click on the appropriate email to proceed. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to your list of boards and navigate to the one you want to work with today. Boards are like the foundation of your workspace on Monday.com, so choosing the right one is essential. After opening your desired board, take a moment to explore its contents. It's always good to have a refresher on what you're working with. Next, cast your gaze back to that upper right corner and you'll see the Automate button waiting for you. Click it to open a new realm of productivity, automation. From the options that appear, select Add Automation. This is where the magic begins and where you can start setting rules for your workflows. The platform will prompt you by saying, when this happens, here you want to choose your trigger. Now let's focus specifically on item created. Selecting this trigger means that every time a new item is added to your board, an action will follow automatically. It's now time to decide what action will occur after this trigger. So look for Then Do This and click on it. An option for Create Subitem will appear. This action is what you'll want, as it automatically generates subitems for each new item you create on your board. Subitems are perfect for breaking down tasks into smaller, more manageable parts, which is excellent for any detailed project planning. Finally, hit Create Automation to confirm your selection and activation of this workflow. This ensures that the automation is saved and operational on your board. With this automation setup, you'll find managing tasks becomes much more efficient, leaving you with more time to focus on other priorities. And there you have it. You've successfully automated the creation of subitems on Monday.com. This straightforward setup brings a new level of interaction and efficiency to your workflows, empowering you to manage your projects like a pro.